To you.
No.
Happy birthday. To you. Load that motherfucker up, man. Oh. Happy birthday, dear. Yes. Happy. Look at the interior though.
No,
Big body.
This is not. This is mine.
Yes, Sirski.
Sure?
Yep. Brand new 2024 too. Me and Chris got this bitch. Oh my God. Yeah, this shit hard. I'm not gonna lie.
No.
W assistant, chat. W assistant. Now we can get shit done. And it got Sports Plus in that motherfucker. Yeah, there's Sport Plus in there, so like you know you can drive real fast. You feel what I'm saying? Ooh. Ooh. Now, oh God, this car is actually tough. What the fuck? Yo. Big body Benz GLE AMG. Damn.
I love you. I really do. I love you.
W's, chat. Happy birthday.
Oh my fucking.
Oh, yeah. I couldn't make the birthday outing, but hey man, that's a good fucking car.
You know I'm so mad at Ty for saying I can't come to your birthday because I'm playing Red Dead Redemption.
Red Dead Redemption. I'm gonna go game. Happy birthday.